Good morning everyone and welcome back to the channel. Yes, the title was a little bit clickbait, at least the first half, but yeah, I bought a junk or half junk red camera charger for V-mount batteries. And while one side is actually probably working, the other one no, and this piece here, that should be the one where you have to attach your V-mount battery, like so, actually is inside, so it doesn't stay out. So what we are going to do, well, we open and check it out if we can fix. It's now time to test it out. The one is the one that we just repaired, and the two was the one that was working since before. So we attach our cable and then this one is charged already, so it's blinking green, and this one is charging instead, and it's red and green. Well, with this solution, as I was mentioning, I'm now able to charge two batteries at the same time, but also utilize the port that is here when two batteries are mounted and power other device at the same time. Well, it's pretty nice solution, and I'm really happy that with close to no effort I was able to fix it out. That's all for me for today. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any device that was junk, but you gave it a second life. Instead of throwing it away, at least you give it a try to fix it. I'm really curious what your experience is about that. Thank you for watching, and as usual, till next time, stay click. Bye.